Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here at Pondside, perhaps in view of the camera, in frame. Here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. So today came out to the pond, and I don't know how well you can see, but it's very brown, very turbid. Don't know if it's an algal bloom or sediment, something whipped up. I don't know. I haven't seen it before here. And I mentioned to each of my students this morning, in the theme of, hey, what's up, what's new? And everybody, their first initial response is that, something's wrong. What is it? Something's wrong. What are we going to do? What are you going to do? And I think it's very important in the practice of Tai Chi Chuan, where we talk about yin and yang, the white and the black, not to presume that either is wrong. And especially and particularly here, not to presume that the dark is wrong. We do that culturally, societally, personally, all too often. We presume that the shadow side is less desirable, less necessary. It's scarier. It's to be extinguished and changed. And perhaps people just thought, well, the pond changed, and so that's something wrong. I suppose that could be correct. But perhaps they thought, well, because of the nature of the change, that it's darker, then it must be wrong. So I just invite you in your Tai Chi practice this week to consider the things that you feel as yin. Do you have a prejudice there that the yin is less than or scarier or more problematic, or you'd like to spend less time there? And make that the focus of your practice. It's like Tai Chi Chuan is made for that kind of thing. Thank you very much.